of my followers their dream gaming PC. I've been creating PC and tech content for over 2 years now. And honestly, I never dreamed that I would have over 12,000 subscribers on YouTube, almost 9,000 followers on Instagram, and almost 100,000 followers on TikTok. I'm just blown away by all of that. And so I wanted to give back by giving a PC away to one of you guys. So I partnered with some of our friends over at Gomdius. They make some really cool budget PC parts that look awesome and are super affordable. So make sure you like and subscribe because you never know when we're gonna do stuff like this. Now, I didn't want to just give away a gaming PC. To celebrate how good you guys have been to me and my channels, I wanted to give away an awesome gaming PC that not only performed well, but also looked really, really high end. Now, I wish I could put like the best of the best parts in it, but I couldn't, but I don't think you'll be disappointed in the looks or the performance. So for the CPU, I had to pay for that out of pocket. Like Gomdius helped a lot with this video, but they don't make things like motherboard, CPU, graphics card, things like that. So some of this I had to pay for myself. And the CPU was one of those. So I went with a Ryzen 7700X. I can pick these up at a pretty reasonable price. I got it brand new, and it's gonna go perfect with this build when you see how it all pans out. The other thing I had to buy out of pocket was SSD and RAM. I bought a P310 and some Crucial RAM that runs at 6,000 mega transfers per second and 1 terabyte of storage. Both of them were from Crucial. I picked those up out of pocket, and I think if I have that correctly, that's the only things I had to pay for. Now, the motherboard was actually a TikTok collab that I got to do late last year, which was one of my first times ever getting to work with MSI. It was a great opportunity. I got to keep the motherboard, and I thought, what better way? I got to work with a company like that, so why not give away the motherboard in this awesome PC build? Because again, you guys helped me get where I am, where I get to work with some of these companies. And it's an X870 Tomahawk Wi-Fi motherboard. It's got a little green and black in it, which if you'll see the build at the end, we're gonna make it all match really, really well, and it's gonna look awesome. But most of it is covered up, so you can change the colors and it'll not be that big of a deal. Now, before I go over the graphics card that we used for this build, I've got to talk about how we made this PC look amazing. And it was all because of the sponsor, Gomdius. Gomdius sent out their Nesso P1 Pro. It's the updated version from their Nesso P1, which I did a video back like over a year ago, and I really love that case, but this one, they've made it even better. It looks cleaner, fancier in my opinion. It's a little bit more, I guess, rectangular in a way. You can still put the feet and lay it sideways, although I personally don't like the look of that, but it looks really awesome. And it comes with 3 of their new Aeolus P2 fans. And what makes these fans amazing is they're only like 50 bucks for a 3-pack. Obviously you get 3 reverse blades with the case, which is really awesome, but you can get 3 of them for $50 like on Amazon, and they sent out a few more so that we can make all the fans in this build match. And so we decked it out with fans. We put 3 on the AIO, which I'll tell you about in a second, and 3 at the bottom and 1 at the back so that they would all match, and they're gonna look really, really awesome. Because they also come with the ability to take the blade out and make them reverse blade fans. So for 50 bucks, that's an awesome feature. And they magnetically go together, so you can only use 1 cord. So I'm probably gonna put them in my main build when I build my next PC. That's how much I like these fans. But the part that was probably my favorite outside of the case and the fans is the AIO. They managed to make an affordable AIO that cools CPUs really well and has an LCD screen on it. I think this thing's awesome. And like I said, they sent me enough fans that I could take the fans that come with off and put their really nice Aeolus fans on it. So this thing's gonna look super, super cool. So now we get to talk about the graphics card. And I'm gonna be honest with you, this one was really, really, really hard because I waited and waited and waited, and I reached out to several companies and I tried to find a graphics card, and we just couldn't. Stock's really bad right now. Online prices are really bad right now, and it was a struggle. But luckily, I was looking for some stuff the other day, and I forgot that I'd put away a graphics card because I was going to do a YouTube video about it in 2025, testing the graphics card and how its performance was holding up. And to be honest, I was a little emotionally attached to the card. It was the first graphics card that I ever got from a TikTok deal. Like, first graphics card I ever got for free. I think I got sent like an RX 580 from some company I never heard of, and I was thankful for that one, don't get me wrong. But the Gigabyte card was awesome. The Gigabyte card was from Gigabyte, and they were one of the big dogs, you know, up there with the MSIs and the Asus of the world. So I was just super happy to get this card. I can't remember how many followers I had on TikTok when I got it, but anyway, I won't bore you too much to death with that. I'm just really proud of it, and so I was attached to it, but I just felt like I needed to use this because I couldn't find a graphics card for anybody else. So I just really felt like I needed to give this card to one of you guys. And so I put the RX 7800 XT in it, and I think the build turned out awesome, and here's what it looks like. So just to show you how it performs, we ran just a few tests on it because I don't want to waste your time. The full gameplay for these videos will be up on my second channel at some point. But with the Ryzen 7700X and the RX 7800 XT, it got some awesome performance. All of these tests were run at 1440p, and we first did Marvel Rivals, max settings 1440p, like as high as they would go. No frame gen, no upscaling. It was actually pretty miserable, and we didn't even really get a locked 60 FPS because this game is just like super poorly optimized. But if you turn like the illuminations and reflections that are kind of like what I call the ray tracing settings, if you turn those off, we got like 120-ish FPS, which was very smooth and super playable with really good graphics. But if you bump them all the way down to low, it gets like 180. We also tested out Black Ops 6 because I didn't have Warzone downloaded for whatever reason, and I needed to get this video out. So we tested just Black Ops 6 in some of the gameplay on there, and we did maxed out settings, no FSR, no frame generation, and we got like 140-ish FPS. Pretty locked, solid, super smooth, fun experience. And if you drop those settings like all the way down to low, you can get over 200 FPS, which I think is really awesome in a game like Warzone, although you are paying a premium price for this kind of PC. And of course we had to test Fortnite out, what a lot of my followers like, especially on TikTok, with it being more geared towards kids. So I had to test out Fortnite on it, and lowest settings on DX12, like the competitive type settings, we got over like 270 FPS. If you flip this thing over to performance mode, you're gonna get like close to 400, and that's really just, I mean, who wouldn't want a 400 FPS computer, you know? Especially in Fortnite, you could really, you know, crank some 90s or something, whatever these kids do these days. Anyway, so now we have to pick a winner, and I wanted it to be as fair as possible. So I posted a short on all of my platforms, YouTube Shorts, Instagram, and TikTok, because that's where most of my followers have come from, is from short form content. And so I posted that, and I posted how to enter, and they had to comment and tag a friend. So I found this website with the help of my friend Tequasong and Nate Tesseract. The website's called like App Sortio or something like that. I probably said it wrong. And it's through like a company called Raffly, or I don't know all the details about it, but Nay from Tesseract, her and her husband do an awesome job of building really cool PCs, way more talented than I am. They do a lot of giveaways, and this was a website that they use a lot. And with all the scams and fake stuff that go on in social media today, I wanted to be as fair as possible to my followers. So we put every single link for all the places that you could enter into this generator, and we let it run. And the first person that actually won it, which I'll blur their name out because I know they're gonna feel bad if they knew that it was them, but they had messaging blocked, like direct messaging blocked, and I couldn't message them. So feel bad, but I had to re-roll. And fortunately, the second person I was able to message, so I posted a picture on my story, told them they had 24 hours, and we'll see if they message back within 24 hours and see if we need to pick someone else. All right, so I messaged him at 12:35 on TikTok, and he actually like messaged back within like 2 hours. He was under 18, so I asked him to hop on a Discord call with his mom. All right, we're about to call the winner and show him that he's just won a PC with him and his mom. Hey, can you hear me?
Yes. Yes.
Awesome. Want to show him the PC that he won, and so that I can show that it's real and not fake, because a lot of people that do this on social media get accused of doing fake giveaways. So I wanted to...
Yeah, well, that was my thought.
Oh.
I can see it pretty good from here.
Yeah. So I don't know, I guess you watched the video, obviously, since you commented on it. That's the PC that I'm going to send to your house.
Okay, what's the catch?
I'm not going to bore you with the rest of this conversation, but I just basically explained about how it wasn't a scam and why I was doing it. And of course I got all their information so I could ship the kid the PC.
Thank you all for supporting me on this journey. If you want to pick up any of these parts from Gomdius, they are linked down in the description. Now help me out by going and watch this video.